In this tutorial I will show you how to master the color halftone effect in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the white color. Press OK. Down the opacity. Create a new layer. Choose the brush tool. Size 300 and hardness 50%. Foreground color is black. Now we will click on the image. Opacity 100%. Shift press select the two layers. Right-click choose the Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Pixelate and select the color halftone. Follow these settings. Press OK. Change the blending option screen. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.